complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo.
Thank you, Emma. I am ready to listen.
This is a listening class where we hear what we learned in context and reinforce it through several conversations. Vocabulary, ordinal numbers. Grammar, like, love, hate, plus verb plus ing.
Great. I want to hear how people use them in daily life.
Listen carefully and enjoy the main dialogues. Booking a haircut. Hello, I would like to book a haircut.
Of course. What day is good for you?
Friday is good. Do you have a morning appointment?
Yes. The first available time is 9:30.
That works for me. I like keeping my hair short.
No problem. Would you like a wash too?
Yes, please. A wash and a haircut.
Perfect. Your appointment is Friday at 9:30.
Ordering a birthday cake. Hi, I need a cake for my son's birthday.
Certainly. How old is he?
It is his 10th birthday.
Great. Does he like eating chocolate cake?
Yes, he loves eating chocolate cake, and he likes playing soccer.
We can put a small soccer ball on top.
That sounds perfect. Can I get it on Saturday?
Yes. It will be ready at 11 in the morning.
Reporting an apartment problem. Hello, there is water under my kitchen sink.
I can check it. Which apartment is yours?
Apartment 204, on the second floor.
When did you first see the water?
This morning. I hate seeing water on the floor.
The pipe is loose, but I can fix it now.
Thank you. Do I need to move anything?
No. Just keep the cabinet open for an hour.
Checking in for a flight. Hello, I am checking in for the flight to Miami.
May I see your passport, please?
Here you are. I have one suitcase.
Thank you. Do you like sitting by the window?
Yes, I love looking out of the window.
I have a window seat in the 12th row.
That is perfect. What gate do I need?
Gate 8. Boarding starts at 2:15.
Planning a weekend picnic. The weather is nice on Saturday. Do you want to have a picnic?
Yes. I love eating outside.
Good. Do you like going to Central Park?
I do, but the park by the lake is quieter.
The lake sounds good. I can bring sandwiches and fruit.
I can bring water and juice.
Let us meet at 11 because I hate getting up early.
11 is perfect. I will see you by the lake.
These real-life dialogues help us understand useful English in context.
Yes. And the situations made the new words easier to remember. I also feel more confident using English in everyday conversations.
Keep listening and practicing. Goodbye, Nexo, and goodbye, everyone.